How to change iPhone language. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So what you pretty much want to do is open up the settings. So once you are here in the settings, you want to scroll down until you see the general tab. So this is the general under, like it has the same icon as your settings. So once you click on there, you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 sections. You want to go to the 5th section. So this where you can see date and time, keyword, fonts, language, region. So there's 5 of these. This is the 5th section. You want to click on the second to last one, and that is the language and region. So I'm telling you guys this for those that have set their iPhone accidentally on a different language they do not know anymore. So this is the one where you want to click on. Once you're here, I actually have 3 languages over here. So I want to click on this blue part over here, what in English says add language. So if you click on here, you can pretty much add any language you would like to. So let's say I want to add German over here. Then would you like to use German as your primary language or use the English language? So you can choose that, but here you pretty much can choose whichever language you would like to. Here you can also change the order of the languages so that it will also, the top one will obviously change your whole iPhone's language. And then after you have done that, you pretty much just want to restart your phone. Sometimes you do not even have to, but I just like to do that so everything works properly afterwards. So that is how to change iPhone language.